Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another Trainspotting commentary video. Today we're at London and Pancras on the Midland Main Line. You can see it says operated by East Midlands Railway, Southeastern and Eurostar. That's 222012, which I believe is running empty. Yep, line so that's running empty. I don't know where that's going to. Right, let's try that again. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another Trainspotting commentary video. Today we're at London and Pancras on the Midland Main Line, where we've seen services operated by East Midlands Railway, Eurostar and Southeastern. So yeah, over there, as I said, that's EMR 222 Meridian running empty to I'm not too sure where, and look at this! And that's the new 810 that's recently entered the service, and wow! I'll tell you what, I'm not the biggest fan of the 800 series, but that is amazing. There are some 800s that I do like the 805, 807s, and oh god, that's smoke. Odd. Like, there are some 800 series that I do like the 805 7 West Coast. I think they look really good in livery, and this as well. This looks absolutely amazing, the 810s, and I'll happily admit on that. Absolute beauty. Lying on platform, not too sure what that is, 9 or 10 or something, is a Southeastern Class 395 Javelin. And that's off to Faversham, I think that's how you pronounce it. I can't catch a unit of that because that's really far away. I'm going to try to. 395020. That's off to Faversham. Is going to be another Class 395 Javelin, and this is coming from Ramsgate. Unit is 395005. Yep, 395005. This is coming from Ramsgate. In the platform 4 is going to be an EMR 222 Meridian coming from Nottingham, from the 222022. And departing on platform 1, departing 15 minutes late, is a pair of EMR Class 360s going to Corby. These were meant to depart at 2:55. It's currently 3 o'clock now, and they're only just departing now, I think. 360 110 and 360 116. So yeah, according to real train times, or taxi whatever, these are due to depart at 2:55, and they're only just departing now, so already running quite a bit late. Arriving in the platform 1 from I assume Corby, is going to be another pair of EMR Class 360s. On the front we've got 360 102. On the rear, 360 118. Departing on platform 7, I think it is a Eurostar class 374 going to, I think, Paris Nords. Actually, I think it's Amsterdam. Meanwhile, next to me, you got the EMR class A10 010, and that's bound for Sheffield. There goes the A10. Over here, here's the Eurostar class 374. Trying to read what's it. I think on the door to say it's bound for Amsterdam. It's either Paris or Amsterdam. I'm not actually too sure. Next train departing on platform 2 is going to be EMR 222 Meridian, and over there is a Southeastern high speed class 395 going to, I'm not too sure where. Here's the 222016 going to Nottingham. I also double check real-time trains. Hold on a minute. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I just double checked real-time trains on the Eurostar that I just filmed. That was actually bound for Amsterdam. That was platform 9. So I do apologise if I made any mistakes there. Right, we've got 2 trains arriving in here. On platform 13, we got a Southeastern class 395 arriving in from Ramsgate, formed of 395 019. And on platform 2 we have a EMR 222 Meridian coming from Sheffield or Nottingham, who cares. 222 020. On platform 4 is a EMR 222 running empty. 222 022. If that time was for me, thank you. Not sure where it's going to, it just says depot in the little thing. But obviously that means it's running empty. And arriving into platform 2 is going to be a class 222 Meridian 222012 running empty. Thank you! My soul's just falling out my body, but thank you, mate! Down there is the pair of EMR Class 360s, bound for Corby. Shout out to the Meridian driver for the tones. You scare the life out of me, but at the same time, I do appreciate your passion for train driving, I guess. Bloody mental. And there goes the pair of EMR Class 360s bound for Corby. The 360s are just a pie. I stopped outside a red signal. Don't think you can see, but there's a 66 going somewhere. I'll be a bit concerned if it's hauling all that freight into here. I assume the 360s is probably just letting the 66 go through, and then we'll continue on this journey. The next thing departing is going to be a Southeastern Class 395 Javelin from the 395019. Not sure where this is going to. I think it says Faversham on there. Oh, but we got another Class 395 coming in. I think this is a pair of them. I think this is a pair of 395 Javelins. There's a pair. On the front. Oh, excuse me. On the front is 395017. Oh, the 360 is down the move again. On the rear, 395004. Oh, the 66 is there. What's that doing there? No. Why did it just stop there? Very odd, and that's very odd. That's how like a Meridian starting up. Oh yeah, we can see a bit of steam coming out. Smoke, event. 66 is now reversing. I've never seen something like this before. I thought that was just another route, like somewhere behind the wall, the corner, or whatever. But I was gonna go down on, but it's come here. Now it's reversing backwards. I don't recall a freight train doing these sort of things on this main line before. I've not seen it happen before either, because I don't train spot on this main line very often. This is very odd to me. I don't know if this is a regular occurrence. If anyone watching this has train spots at this station very often, does that happen quite often? Where a 66 stops outside the station, and then started reversing with all its freight loads. Because I've never seen that happen before. Oh, there's a pair of EMR Class 360s coming from Corby. The rain? Oh god, I think it's starting to rain. Bugger. On the front we got 360 105. On the rear 360 117. Next train to depart on platform 4 is going to be a EMR Class 222 Meridian bound for Sheffield. Formed of 222 007. Thank you! Thank you, mate! Oh, what a legend. Oh, we've got a Eurostar 373 departing now. This is going to Garda Nord, Paris Nords.
Please be aware, back please operate in this area.
What a beauty. Absolute beauty of a train. Next train arriving is going to be a EMR Class 222 Meridian. Not sure where it's coming from. I think it's Sheffield. It's from 222 019. Next train departing is going to be an EMR 222 going to... Jesus Christ, thank you! Wow! And there it goes, bound for Nottingham, I think. 222012. That was insane. Tones, man. Jesus. Arriving in platform 4 is a EMR Class A10 Aurora. Not sure where this is coming from. A1006. Takes a wave. They genuinely look amazing. As modern trains go, as I said in the beginning, as modern trains go, they look amazing. And departing here is going to be a Southeastern Class 395. Oh, there's a pair of them. I think this is bound for Margate. 395 004 on the front and 395 017 on the rear. In platform 3 is going to, no, platform 2, sorry, it's going to be a EMR 222 Meridian coming from, I believe, Sheffield. Or it might be running empty going to Sheffield. I think from Sheffield anyway.
The service will be called at Luton Airport Parkway, Luton, Bedford, Wellingborough, Kettering, North, Cornwall. Once again, any passengers using this service, please make your way to the platform.
Departing on platform 1 is going to be a pair of EMR Class 360s, bound for Corby. There goes that. Now, if you excuse me for a few minutes, we're going to go to some Pancras low level. So a massive Pancras low level now, where we'll be seeing the 700s. Over here is a Thameslink service going from Brighton to Cambridge, and we'll be departing right about now. The sound's going to be crazy. Okay, arriving is going to be a Thameslink service bound for St Albans City from the 700 at 032.
May I have your attention, please? Please note.
Thanks for the wave, driver.
Train doors will not shut up to 30 seconds.
My God, that looks busy. Look at all those people. That's why I quickly walked up here. because down there it's just insanely busy. And arriving into platform 1 is attending service bound for 3 bridges for 700, 136. Next train arriving is going to be attending service bound for Bedford via Luton Airport Parkway, formed to 700, 126. Thanks for the wait so far. Fine, now you're attending service for Bedford. Oh, never mind. Oh! No, the Pine's actually in attending service for 3 bridges. I do apologise for that. I thought the 3 bridge train had already departed. And I wasn't going to film it because you weren't going to see it, because obviously this is in the way. Alright, I do apologise for that. Silly old Jake. Alright. Are you departing? Alright, you are. Right. Now definitely departing, you're attending service for Bedford. Next train arriving is going to be attending service to Sutton. 700, thank you! 700, the first 700 remains. Hi, now is your attending service bound for Sutton. Next train arriving is going to be another service to Sutton. Next train arriving on platform B is going to be attending service bound for Luton.
Elstree, Bournemouth, Redlet, St Albans City, Harpenden, Luton Airport Parkway and Luton.
Form door 700 at 015.
Accommodation is not available on the train. May I have your attention, please? Please note, to ensure a timely departure, train.
Departing now is your attending service bound for Luton. Meanwhile, there's no attending service arriving in platform A. What should I go to? I think that's another Sutton bound one. Or Brighton. So this train's bound for Rainham. Platform A. Next train arriving into platform B is going to be a Thameslink service bound for Peterborough. 700 129. And oh my goodness gravy, that is going to be busy as hell. Oh my god, that's busy. It's when you think the station might die out a bit, but like, whether it's morning commute, afternoon commute, or evening commute, this station will always be busy as anything. It's actually insane. I was thinking of going towards more the back end, spotting down there, but I thought I'm gonna play it safe, Trainspot the front, so I can actually get a good, like, videos of the trains instead of just people's heads just blocking the way from side by side. And departing now, you're attempting service bound for Peterborough. Bound for Horsham, formed of 700 134.
Should report the front 7 coaches. First class accommodation is not available on the train.
And arriving into platform B, I completely forgot, is Thameslink service bound for St Albans City. Formed of 700 020. Meanwhile, arriving into platform A is going to be a Thameslink service bound for Orpington. Never heard of that. Never heard of Orpington before. For 700 058. And departing now on platform B is going to be your Thameslink service bound for St Albans City. And departing now is going to be your Thameslink service bound for Orpington. I've never heard of that before, I don't think. And that'll be it for my video at St Pancras. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 800 subscribers. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bosh. And I'm sorry if you couldn't hear what I'm saying 90% of the time because the sound at St Pancras low level is absolutely insane. But that's what Trainspotting's all about. Anyways, peace out. Bosh.